Yeah, I guess I have to keep going.
You little fart. Keep it going though.
I didn't. If I get the camera.
Well, you stay around on the back side of me, you'll be fine. God, you gotta get her. You gotta be the one to judge, get her there.
Very nice with the mirror.
Yeah, it should be nice if you do your frickin' job.
I'm doing it.
No, you weren't. I told you not to let her cut in.
What?
Don't give me.
Come on, girl. Let's go. Let's go. Come on.
Get out there.
Turn the other direction, maybe.
Turn your shoulder and do it right. Teach her the right way to do it.
Yeah, she ain't gonna move. Put her in the big pen and let her move out. Ooh, girl. Ooh.
That's fine. That's enough of her. Show them how nice and quiet she is.